DJI Mavic 4 Pro, QuickShots Rotate. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro does not cease to amaze me and all that it is capable of doing. Today we tried a brand new QuickShots feature called Rotate. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Also note, I used screen recording for most of the video except for while the actual QuickShot Rotate was going on. So let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and take the DJI Mavic 4 Pro up and try one of its many new exciting features today. We have 25 satellites. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started. And that is underway. Let's move it over here like I like to do. We have 25 satellites. And let's go ahead and start camera. The camera is started. We are ready to go. Let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
It is kind of a breezy day today here. Get it up to about 100 feet. A little overcast. Humidity's kind of gotten up in the air, and I think a lot of it has to do with, unfortunately, what's going on in the Caribbean right now with Hurricane Melissa. Okay, let's go ahead and go forward here. I'm going to back things up here. It is quite breezy today. We're at about maybe, I would say, easily 15 to 20 miles an hour in terms of the wind speed. Let's go ahead and move down here just a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get into QuickShots mode. And we're going to try something called Rotate. As you know, this is a new feature that has been added to the Mavic 4 Pro. And it has this infinity gimbal, so we're going to take a look and see how this does here. Now, recording is going to start, so automatically.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was very cool. We're going to go ahead and back this up and do it again. I want to see if I can make some adjustments with the what is done here. So let's back this up here a little bit. I think that's where I want to be because it's at 180 degrees is the rotation on this, and it's medium speed and rotation speed and 17 miles an hour actual flight speed here. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead up to the fountain. So let's go ahead and I want to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. And again, I am not recording video during this portion. There will be a screen recording here for you to see what I'm doing right now in between using this shot here. Okay, let's head up to the fountain here. There we are. All right. And what we're going to do first, let's go ahead and I'll stop here, and we're going to like back up just a little bit. And we're going to kind of do this at the end of 19th Avenue and 301 and see how that goes here. I'm going to back up just a little bit.
Three, two, one.
It's nice on screen because, as you can see, they show you exactly where it's at in terms of the pitch angle in degrees. That is wonderful. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch again. I'm going to turn things around. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do this here from this perspective of the fountain. Let's go ahead and start.
3, 2, 1.
If I failed to mention, when you hit the start button, recording automatically starts, just to let you guys know that. $97, $98, $99. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and go forward here a little bit. And we're going to do it from this perspective. Let's back up a little bit.
Three, two, one.
It's nice. It does hold the altitude and your speed very well with this. Okay, and it finished up. Wow, that I am very impressed with this. This works a lot better than I thought it was going to. I was real excited when they added this feature to the Mavic 4 Pro, but has really impressed me here. So let's go ahead and do a return to home.
Return to home.
We're at 73% battery left on the Mavic 4 Pro on this flight. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. And let's see how we do.
Landing.
Wow, textbook landing and a picture-perfect flight and a great test of DJI QuickShots Rotate with the Mavic 4 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mavic 4 Pro QuickShots Rotate? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.